We are right this moment walking into Disney Springs. There is a nip in the air as the weather has gotten quite cool and the barbecue wafting up from Polite Pig. It finally feels like fall. The November filled with cool air and good food. And we're heading into Disney Springs. I'm excited.
Wow, that was busy last time.
Somebody's excited about going into World of Disney.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Lego train station is really cool. Katie got to see it in action at the Lego store the other day. Maybe we'll pop over there in a minute and look at it.
And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long
Christmas overload. And we're shopping for Justin and Katrina while we're here too.
But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Put it on. That was insane. It got very busy in there very fast. But made off with a good haul, so Christmas has begun. It's only November, but Christmas has begun. Well, we finished up Christmas shopping at World of Disney, so now we're on to the Christmas store.
All from different artists.
Had Earl a sandwich, and Kaysen did decent eating, so we're gonna head over to the Lego store. Yeah. We are going to the Lego store. Katie decided to go to Uniqlo since Kaysen wanted to come in here. I don't see the train. Oh, and they got rid of the little building stations too. Some neat sets in here to be sure, but I'm not seeing the one I wanted to see, which was the train station and the train. Must not be out for the time being. They've made some changes in here.
Pizza, pizza, Friday.
Making some minifigs together. Heading back up to the Lime Garage and on off to other adventures. Looks like it might rain. We'll see. So my park is definitely one of the better ways to get a parking spot at a lot of these malls here in Central Florida. But it works best when the LTE is actually allowing your device and your app to update. But we finally got parked. Follow mommy. The Disney character warehouse here, which we came to see, is pretty tightly packed. Kaysen! Kaysen! Come here! So Kaysen and I are gonna go down to Mrs. Fields and get some cookies. Keep him entertained for a minute. He's running. Watch where you're going. Kaysen. Careful. You want to hold it? Okay. Be careful. Good job. Let's go share the cookies with mommy. Careful, hold on to them with two hands. Which one do you want? Here. There you go. Can Daddy hold it then? All right. Is that a yummy cookie? Maybe one day Daddy will get the next hero and then it'll stabilize you much better. Uh-oh, get it quick, get it quick. Eating cookies in line for the Disney outlet. What is it? Cup? Kaysen, did we survive the Disney outlet? Are you alive up there? Hello? Hello? Are you alive? What are you doing? You ready to go home, buddy? Yeah? All right, say bye-bye. All right.
Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.